is. Gas cap. There we are. I have no AC in here right now because this dude's getting gas. And it's like a million degrees in here. Be marked. Look at these boys getting their 89-cent drinks. This ice right here is what will save you in Arizona.
What's going on here?
It's 150 degrees out here. Oh, I'm just telling the viewers that you need to get some ice because it's hot out here. At 10:45, it's 8:30 right now. We'll be in Sedona at a rim that we're gonna hike. It's about a half-mile hike to the bridge that goes over some water. It'll be a pretty dope place.
Look, it's my brother!
Look!
Brother!
It's our brother! Hey, brother!
No!
No!
No! So because of that that Fr-s sighting over there, we missed the freeway turn. So we'll be back on track in about 10 minutes. Look at this. This is our ride, my brand new Fr-s. Look at this over here. We really just stopped because this guy needed to go pee. But I figured, hey, kind of looks like a cool destination to take some photos. But yeah, I'd say we're about 20 miles out of the city, out of Phoenix. We have a lot of driving ahead of us, but we thought we'd make a quick pit stop in the middle of nowhere. Alrighty, dude. Don't mess up my car. Now go back a little bit. Now turn the wheels out this way. Yeah. Photo mission complete. I'm letting Camille drive right now. Woo! A lot of trust. Look at this guy. He's a great driver. Thank you! Yes! Now pass these boys. Yeah! Bro, this looks so legendary. Jadon, huh? 95. DD 100! This is a freeway. Why would you put a bump? Where is the bump? Oh, the bumper's right there.
There's the bump.
I was like expecting a different bump. Something that makes road trips amazing like this is good music, and I have a suggestion for you guys if you're into good music. You guys should look up this band right here called Mount Joy. I met them before. They're amazing people. This album is like so good. I don't even put it on shuffle or anything. Just listen to the full album straight through. That's what Camille and I have been doing. Highly recommend their stuff. So we made a random surprise decision to change course by 40 minutes and go to Jerome. It's a really, really cool place in Arizona. I love Jerome. But yeah, the exit's like right here. It's like a 40-minute detour. Nothing bad. We're gonna get some food there too at the Haunted Hamburger. Gotta get off on Cornville Road.
I really hope it's paved. We entered like a little tiny village. Oh, this is dope. Right before Jerome. There's like nothing here. The trading post. Look at this road. It's like an actual like racetrack. This way to go all the way down to Sedona, which you can barely see over there. But Jerome is literally right there in the mountain. And we're like, we gotta go visit it. That was the 4th roundabout we had to go through to get to where we are now. These roads don't even look like it's like we're in Arizona. Entering Jerome, yeah! You ready for these windy roads, bro?
These ones are windy.
What? Oh, look, we're matching the FRS and this guy who can't slide as well. I gotta figure out how to cross a road here. Look at this. I would not want to drive my FRS over that. My guys right here. Look at these boys. Alright, let's go. We gotta find this restaurant called The Haunted Hamburger. It's super good. I went there once like a while back. I have no idea where it is except that I know that's in the city. What's going on here, Cam Goon? Ooh. Look at this. You got some.
I have some
Cheez-Its down there. Scrumptious. Cannon, what are the odds that you slide down this whole entire thing?
Out of 5?
Out of 5?
Yeah.
Alright. 1, 2, 3. Oh, wait, what? You did it wrong. Oh man, this is exciting.
Oh my god. You don't know how fast I'm going.
You failed. This road is so cool. Ooh. Spooky, spooky.
I think there's bats up there, bro.
Oh wow, that goes high up.
Whoa, what?
It's wild.
What? You drive up here?
Yeah. This hotel right here is supposedly one of the most, oh, JK. It's that place right there. Look, there's my baby. Here it is. Great view. The haunted hotel. Spooky.
Why don't we eat here?
Huh? What are we doing, Camille?
We're gonna eat at the asylum.
Do you think this place is really haunted?
Can you feel the spirits, bro?
I think this fan is. Just eat a habanero.
Oh, my eyes still so purple. It's in my eye. It's in my eye, bro. It's in my eye.
This is the elevator. Tell me we're not riding this elevator. Oh no. Oh no. Might want to start that camera. I'm gonna switch to face. Like this.
Why is she smiling?
Oh.
She's smiling.
Alrighty, bro.
scary skeletons and shivers down your spine.
Look at this view. Dang.
Look at this.
Oh, wait. That actually is. That's dope. Look at that. Time to go to Sedona. All of our batteries are dying, so we're gonna run back to the car, drive a little bit, get back to you guys when there's cool scenery. I don't know. Look at this. We made it. Sedona, baby. It's our destination. Boom. All right. Boom. So hot out here. We had to change into our swim trunks so that we could go on a hike and hike up to one of the bridges up here for a really cool photo opportunity. Ready to go, bro? Let's go. So it turns out that we're not hiking up that way. That the trailhead actually starts somewhere over here. I have no idea where the arch is though, so let you guys know if we see anything that resembles an arch. To the Devil's Bridge. This is where we need to go. have no idea where this bridge is, and we've been hiking probably for like
30 minutes probably.
No, definitely not 30 minutes. Probably like 10 minutes or 20 minutes.
I think I see an arch.
I don't know where we're going. So we're parked in a parking lot here because hiking did not go as planned. What? So we were like 20 minutes onto the trail of hiking, and all that we had to drink was this one thing split between the both of us. We've been hiking for about 20 minutes or so, and we saw some people, and we're like, how long to the bridge? And they're like, oh, it'll be another 30 to 45 minutes. And we were like, no, not about that. We don't have enough water. We're gonna die. And now we're parked in the middle of Sedona looking for some food. We're driving out of Sedona right now. We just had dinner. It was a pretty good time while we were there. We got to see a lot of cool sights. So we've had a pretty good road trip so far. We're gonna go all the way down to Payson right now, and then we'll switch off driving halfway and see how it goes from there. We'll see you guys in Payson. The welcome back sign, but yeah, we made it back to the city. The road trip is coming to an end. It's been a pleasure, especially bringing you guys along with me. We're both ready for some sleep now. Thanks for watching, guys. Later.